Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to change your video settings on a GoPro Hero 8. So we turn it on by pressing the mode on off there, and once we're on the main screen we have to unlock the camera, so tap to unlock, and then we can just tap on the bottom and you can see now we have time warp, night lapse and whatnot. That's for time lapse. Let's say we want to do in video mode. So we're in video mode now, and we can have the standard 24 frames per second and wide. You can go here and you can have different, presets. So we have these 5 different presets, and we can add more. We can just have to do it there, and we can choose the settings and do that. So that's how you can change it really fast. So you should have a couple of presets that you enjoy, and then you can go from custom, activities, slow-mo, cinematic. You can name your own, make your own presets, but that's how you change them. So it's very simple. Just tap on where it says standard, and there you go to whatever you want. You want to change to cinematic, you can go to cinematic. You want to change to something else. And these are custom ones that I made, but some already come in your camera. You can create your own to your liking. So yeah, that's how you change the settings on video on your GoPro Hero 8. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.